Okay, this is, your name?
Murphy.
Yes, this is Murphy
You have to do this in
taking a bite out of pepper grown by the FFA in stuff in that garden next to the greenhouse.
Now you rinse that thing off in water before you do it?
The water's sanitary.
Dude, we don't know what they put on that.
Shut up. I mean, it's organic.
3.
How does that feel?
It's hot.
It's hot. Go drink some water. Drink water. It's the best thing to drink after that.
Are you recording or taking a picture?
I'm just recording this.
I'm recording, but I only got 30 seconds and you got 19.
I got, this has like 30 minutes.
I'm just going
Max.
through water.
Gotcha.
Is that a touch or a 2?
It's a 3.
Oh.
How does it feel?
Why would you do a 3
Really
instead of
hot.
a touch?
Good.
Because I can't touch things. I have an iPod Touch
Oh my
and I have no skills with hitting
Good.
things on it.
Now,
I mean, come on.
who else wanted?
But
Difficult.
this is prettier. I mean, like,
Would you like to take a shot at
It
this?
looks like a calculator.
I agree with her. I want that one over there.
Would you like
I'm
a-
getting the blue one. And
Maybe
I have
what-
3. Yeah.
Give just a second. We might.
Anyone else want to take a shot?
Might be able to talk Mr. Parrish into it. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think it's
We're a
going
little
to eat
busy at the
after
moment, but we might be able to get into. Who knows?
Hmm?